Hi students, previous day I told you about the tripartite struggle and the rulers who took part in the struggle. Now let us learn about these prominent kingdoms. First is Gurjara Pratihara. The Gurjara Pratihara dynasty was an imperial power during the late classical period on the Indian subcontinent that ruled much of North India from the mid 8th to 11th century. They ruled first at Ujjain and later at Kanauj. Next come Palas. This dynasty was founded by Gopala. The Pala stronghold was located in Bengal and Bihar, which included the major cities of Bikrampura, Pataliputra, Gouda, Mangur, Sompura, etc. The Palas were astute diplomats and military conquerors. Some of the rulers of this dynasty was Gopala, Dharmapala, etc. Now next come Rashtrakutas. The Rashtrakutas was a royal dynasty ruling large part of the Indian subcontinent between the 6th and 10th centuries. The earliest known Rashtrakutas inscriptions is a 7th century copper plate grant detailing their rule from Manapura city in central or west India. The Rashtrakuta territory reached its zenith under their able rulers Amogha Varsha. After the fall of Gurjara Pratihara, there arose some small independent powers. Their conflicts with each other helped the Turkish invader to invade our country. One of the Turkish invader was Muhammad Ghazni. One of the most prominent Turkish ruler who invaded the Indian subcontinent was Muhammad Ghazni. He mounted 17 plunders expedition between 1000 to 1027 CE into North India, annexing Punjab. Muhammad Ghazni came to India with the objectives of looting wealth, and therefore most of his raids were concentrated around important temple cities like Thaneshwar, Mathura, Kanauj and Somnath, which had immense wealth. Next come Muhammad Ghori. Muhammad Ghori invaded India with an aim of conquering the northern part of India and expanding his kingdom beyond Afghanistan. Unlike Muhammad Ghazni, his intention was not to get gold but to establish an empire. Prithviraj Chauhan, yes, he fought against the Chamana Rajput Prithviraj Chauhan, and the Prithviraj Chauhan was the last and the greatest ruler of the Chamana dynasty. His great military achievements have been described in Prithviraj Raso, which was written by his court poet Chandvardai. Prithviraj enhanced the power of the Chamanas by bringing Mahoba, Bundelkhand and Gujarat under his control. He valiantly resisted the attacks of Muhammad Ghori in the two battles of Tarain in 1191 and 1192. Raise the next. Thank you.